Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use WhatsApp Web. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. WhatsApp Web is a web version of WhatsApp that lets users send messages and receive messages from computer browser. To use WhatsApp Web, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type www.whatsapp.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to WhatsApp's website. Now, here you can see the option of WhatsApp Web at top. Click on WhatsApp Web. Then here you'll be directed to WhatsApp Web section of the website. Now here you need to follow all the given process so that you can use WhatsApp on your computer. Now on your mobile phone, first you need to install your WhatsApp application. To install your WhatsApp application, open your Play Store if you are using Android or App Store if you are using iPhone. I am using Play Store. Then tap on the search bar at the top and enter WhatsApp. With that, here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Then you'll be able to see install option. Tap on install. Then you'll be able to install WhatsApp. After your WhatsApp gets installed, open your WhatsApp application. Now make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. After logging in, here you can see your general chats. Now to link or use WhatsApp with, tap on three dots at the top. Then here you can see the option of link device at the third. Tap on link device. Then tap on the option of link a device. Then here you need to first give permission to open your camera. After that, you need to scan the QR code on your computer. With that, your WhatsApp will be logged in your computer. As you can see here, Google Chrome has been now added on my WhatsApp as I have been logged in through my browser. Now, after you scan the QR code through your mobile phone, your chats will be loaded. Now, here you can see your chats on the left side. You can click on any of the chats that you want to open. Then here you can see various of features on the top left side of the website. Click on three people icon to open your community. Click on the bell icon to open your status. Then click on the chat looking like icon to open channels. Now here you can see message looking like icon with plus sign. Click on that icon and here you can see new chat option. Here you can form new group, new community or explore your old contacts. With that, here you can click on your profile icon at top left section. Then here you can see your profile. This is how we can use WhatsApp Wave. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.